So we are walking to the fountain and it's raining. So I have a feeling that we're gonna get stuck in the downpour, which is gonna be great. Can you say hi? Say hi. Yeah, it's a rainy day today and I'm loving it. Loving it. So I was right, we got caught in the rain. Look at you. Oh, Susie, look at her feet. Someone had fun. Someone likes the rain. So I'm having Susie's homemade olive dip. Oh, I should show it. Oh my god. And now I'm about to have, what kind is this? What is this?
Peppered pickles.
Peppered pickles.
Pickled pepper. Pickled pepper.
Wow, my hair looks really light. So it is way later, like way later, and I do this thing where like I'm forgetting to vlog. And then I'm also forgetting to end my vlog, so my vlogs are really short. I went to Starbucks.
7:30.
Ice eggnog latte. It's my shiznit.
Gang, gang, gang. I'm trying to play football. Gang.
I won't be sleeping because Devin is he gets like really mad when he loses and messes up.
We're not even losing.
Yet. He's not.
No, look, I'm scoring a touchdown right now. I just scored a touchdown, bro. I just scored a touchdown.
That's what I hear all night. It's annoying. But
42 yards, bro. That's nice.
Anyway.
Look it, I'm scoring as you're speaking.
Ah. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Ooh, I just kicked Hunter in the face. Sorry. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thanks for watching. Today was really actually a boring day, so I'm sorry.